day one of pumpkin planting 2025, and it's going well. That's just the usual beeper to say that it's missed one. It's going well. We're finding moisture. We've got the drill set up so that it's moving all the dry soil to one side and then popping the seed into a bit of moisture underneath. It's quite overcast and cold with the northerly wind today, but the soil temperature's good. We've had a good kill of weeds on top, as you'll see when I turn the camera around, and yeah, hopefully should be good. 60 some different varieties, all different shapes, sizes, colours, and yeah, similar sort of regime as normal. But yeah, let's hope for a good growing season and they fly away. I think we forecast a bit of rain next week, so if we can get them in, get them germinated, get a bit of water on top of them, they'll fly away. There we are. I've got my brother Rob. He's been checking how everything's going in, checking the spacing. We've got about 80 centimetre rows, and then because we put the smaller seeds, the smaller varieties in here, we're on 70 centimetres within the row. He's just setting his phone up to video as the machine goes over the top, which could be interesting.